Hey guys, Joe the Auto Guy with Joe the Auto Guy YouTube channel today and a new Tool Tuesday segment. And the thing I want to talk about today is an amazing new tool. Been out for a little while, but Snap-on's new pliers. This is the LN47ACF. Right there. Now the greatness of these pliers is they are long. These are standards. You know, I have another set of Snap-on needle nose. You can see the sheer girth in them. And I mean, these are great. They grab stuff. They're hardened teeth. And one of the great things about them is if we zoom in, there's teeth on every little part of it. There's a grit right there, more jagged teeth, some sharp and hardened teeth. And these things do grab. They're not going to just round out like, you know, everyday pliers. So when I say pliers that is actually worth the money, knife picks, everything, these, they're so nice I bought 2 of them. Now, when I say that, I bought 2 of them because one's obviously going home at the home shop because I actually love these that much. And I think they are needed pliers, and I don't want to bring them back and forth. But they're great. They have 3 position locations. So you can grab, you know, radiator hose, pressure clamps, everything, and they get in there. And they will grab. So they are so good. I mean, this is a very small clamp, but they easily grip. I'm easily just not fatiguing. They're long enough that they just grip. Go like that. We can also go down here. I need to get this clamp back on, and this is a needle nose. You can see I'm doing that one-handed, not even struggling, having to use 2 hands to adjust the clamp. This tool right here just did it just fine. So now if you compare that to a regular Snap-on pliers, we see we're all smooth. A lot of needle nose are all smooth right here, and that allows them to grip close tight, but you know, we want those teeth to grab on. That's what I like about it, but you can still grab other. So they're really universal, all-around great pliers. And one simple test that I did was I have another one here, so I wanted to kind of showcase. I put a washer in this, and all I did was squeeze it by hand and wrap it in electrical tape right there. You can see there's nothing else in there, just to give it like constant pressure. And now what I want to show is how much the tip grips this. And I mean, obviously you're going to bend this, but if just trying to remove this, you know, from it, not happening quite easily. So to kind of show you, I mean, obviously you guys can claim, you know, oh, I'm not really pulling, but like, oh, I'm not very strong, you know. So let's put it in a vise. So we just put them in a vise, and what I'm going to do is show you that, you know, the vise is tight. But like, look at that. But you know, me stretching, going sideways, I guess, kind of did that. But you can see how much that gripped on hard, and it's still just being on the tip. See if I can get the bench moving in there. So again, even moving out right there, we are just on the tip. I moved the whole bench before that broke off. And I mean, we'll still do it with regular hand grip on this one. You can see I'm pulling. Yeah, my ball joint case is on that vise. You can see how much I'm flexing it. I'm actually pulling it out of the vise. So, I mean, I'd say they're pretty good. Now to compare that, we're obviously going to use even Snap-on's regular pliers. So that tip grip can still grab. Oh, but you see, I'm trying, guys. I'm not fooling around here. You can see my handle slid off for a, and you know, just showing that those slide off. So again, this is just, it's a Pliers. It's going to do their job. Pliers come in all shapes and fashions, but this one just does not give up. Not easily. If you have a good grip on something, it is going to take it off. I mean, we actually stretched for that washer with a Pliers, and you see they did not distort. They didn't distort. They still held their shape. You know. They didn't distort. They still held their shape, and they are still on point. If I can focus here. The LN47ACF snap-on pliers is a sure bet. Pick yourself up some. People say, "Oh, why buy snap-on tools?" This is why. This is some ingenuity and sheer, you know, awesomeness that went into this pliers. And again, I'm Joe the Auto Guy. Thanks for watching New Tool Tuesday. Check out, I have tool reviews, car repair videos. I work in a full-time as auto mechanic and work out of my home shop, running my own small business. So pick these pliers up. Honestly, great buy. You can't go wrong. And great for a mechanic in your life. Just a little pricey, but worth the money.